Hi boys and girls, we are working on lesson 5 problem set, and we are going to do number 2 and number 4 together today. So if you can get out lesson 5 problem set. Number 2 says complete the count by 7 sequence below, then write a multiplication equation and a division equation to represent each blank you filled in. So we're going to start our count bys, and I want you to go ahead and pause the video and fill in your count bys. So we have 7, 14. The next number, if we're counting by sevens, would be 21, then 28. Go ahead and pause the video and come on back after you have the rest of the line filled in. Welcome back, boys and girls. Hopefully you got your count bys filled in. It should read 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 49, 56, 63, and 70. So for each blank that we filled in a number up top, we're going to write a multiplication and division sentence for. For example, the first line we filled in was 21. So we are going to write 3 times 7 equals 21. And I know it was 3 because it's our third count by. Our division sentence would be 21 divided by 7 equals 3. The next one would be, this is 4 times, 5 times. So 5 times 7 equals 35. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. And I want you to say it out loud just as I am, boys and girls, because that's going to help you memorize these facts. So go ahead and finish up letters C, D, and E, and come on back to check your work. Welcome back, boys and girls. Hopefully you can see we filled in letters C, D, and E with 7, 8, and 10. And we wrote the corresponding multiplication and division facts. Make sure that your work looks like my work. Let's go down to number 4. Number 4 says, Molly says she can count by 7 6 times to solve 7 times 6. James says he can count by 6 7 times to solve this problem. Who is right? Explain your answer. So is counting by 7 6 times 7 times 6 the same as 6 times 7? They are both correct. Because, do you know why? It's a property because of the commutative property. Commutative property. Because we get the same result. It doesn't matter if we get there by counting by 7 6 times or 6 7 times. Boys and girls, you're going to move on to doing your homework problems. You're going to submit this on Schoology as well as your homework problems.